Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character néng step by step. First, I will write it in printing script, then following one word and then one sentence. Okay, let's get started. néng. néng. It means to be able to. Can, ability. For example, 可能 may, possible. Check this sentence. I'm afraid I might not like this idea. I'm afraid I may not might not like this idea.我可能不喜欢这个主意。我可能不喜欢这个主意 idea. In Chinese character, 我可能 I may not 不喜欢 do not like 不喜欢这个 this 主意 idea. I'm afraid I may not like this idea. 我可能不喜欢这个主意。我可能不喜欢这个主意。Now, try to write néng in cursive. néng. néng, to be able to, can, 可能 may, possible. I'm afraid I may not like this idea. 我可能不喜欢这个主意。néng. Please comment any word or sentence with the character néng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.